Have you ever wondered about the health benefits of flax seeds? You might recognize them as linseeds, small, flat, and oval-shaped seeds that originate from the flax plant, or scientifically known as Linum usitatissimum. These tiny powerhouses pack a punch with their slightly nutty flavor, making them a versatile addition to many dishes. Flax seeds come in two main varieties, the more common brown and the slightly less common golden. Although they might look similar, these two kinds of flax seeds share the same nutritional profile, offering a host of benefits to those who incorporate them into their diets. So, whether you've got a bag of golden or brown flax seeds in your pantry, rest assured you're in for a nutritional treat. So, now that you know what flax seeds are, let's delve into their nutritional profile and discover why these seeds are considered a superfood by many health enthusiasts. Flax seeds are nutritional powerhouses packed with numerous essential nutrients. Let's delve into the 4 key nutrients that make flax seeds an essential part of a balanced diet. Firstly, flax seeds are one of the richest plant sources of omega-3 fatty acids, specifically alpha-linolenic acid or ALA. These healthy fats are crucial for heart health and brain function. They help reduce inflammation and improve heart health by lowering bad cholesterol levels. So, incorporating flax seeds into your diet means you're doing your heart a favor. Next up is fiber. Flax seeds are high in both soluble and insoluble fiber. This aids in digestion, helping you feel full for longer, and supports weight management. It's a win-win situation for your gut and your waistline. Thirdly, flax seeds are a unique source of lignans. These are plant compounds with antioxidant and estrogen-like properties. They may reduce the risk of certain types of cancer and help balance hormones. So not only do flax seeds keep you feeling good on the inside, but they also contribute to your overall well-being. Lastly, flax seeds are a good source of plant-based protein. This makes them an ideal choice for vegetarians, vegans, or anyone looking to add a little extra protein to their diet. It's a simple and tasty way to support muscle growth and repair. But that's not all. Flax seeds also contain a variety of other nutrients including vitamins B1 and B6, magnesium, phosphorus, and zinc, among others. Each of these plays a vital role in maintaining optimal health and wellness. In a nutshell, flax seeds are a compact package of essential nutrients. Their combination of omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, lignans, and protein, along with a host of other vitamins and minerals, makes them a highly beneficial addition to your diet. With such a rich nutritional profile, it's no wonder that flax seeds offer numerous health benefits. From supporting heart health to aiding in weight management, flax seeds have it all. Let's delve into the 6 main health benefits of these tiny, mighty seeds. First on the list is heart health. Flax seeds are packed with alpha-linolenic acid, a type of omega-3 fatty acid that plays a crucial role in heart health. It reduces inflammation, a major culprit behind heart disease, and improves cholesterol levels, keeping your heart in tip-top shape. Next up is digestive health. Thanks to their high fiber content, flax seeds are your digestive system's best friend. They help your body effectively break down food, prevent constipation, and promote a healthy gut environment. Flax seeds also have a role in cancer prevention. They contain lignans, compounds with antioxidant properties that may reduce the risk of certain cancers, particularly breast, prostate, and colon cancer. Lignans also have estrogen-like properties, which can help balance hormones and potentially lower the risk of hormone-sensitive cancers. Then there's weight management. Flax seeds are a combination of fiber, protein, and healthy fats. This trio helps you feel fuller for longer, reducing overall calorie intake and aiding in weight loss or maintenance. Flax seeds may also help stabilize blood sugar levels. This is beneficial for managing diabetes and preventing insulin resistance. Their fiber content slows down the rate at which sugar is released into the bloodstream, preventing spikes and crashes in blood sugar. Finally, let's not forget the benefits flax seeds have for our skin and hair. The omega-3 fatty acids and lignans in flax seeds support healthy skin and hair by reducing inflammation and promoting moisture retention. This can lead to smoother skin, shinier hair, and an overall healthier appearance. These health benefits make flax seeds a great addition to any diet. But how do you incorporate them into your meals? Incorporating flax seeds into your diet is easier than you might think. Here's how you can do it. Firstly, it's important to know that whole flax seeds can pass through your digestive system undigested. So to get the most out of these little seeds, it's best to consume them ground. You can easily do this at home using a coffee grinder or opt to buy pre-ground flaxseed, also known as flaxseed meal. One of the simplest ways to add flax seeds to your diet is by mixing them into your favorite smoothie. Just a tablespoon of ground flax seeds can significantly boost the nutritional value of your smoothie, adding a nice dose of fiber, omega-3 fatty acids, and plant-based protein. Next up, consider sprinkling ground flax seeds over your morning oatmeal or yogurt. This not only adds a slightly nutty flavor, but also increases the fiber and protein content of your breakfast, helping you feel fuller for longer. Flax seeds also make a great addition to your baking. You can substitute part of the flour in recipes with ground flax seeds to create healthier versions of your favorite muffins, pancakes, and bread. This substitution not only enhances the nutritional profile of your baked goods, but also adds a delightful crunch and a subtle nutty flavor. Salads are another great place to sprinkle flax seeds. Whether you prefer them whole or ground, flax seeds add a nice crunch and a nutritional punch to your greens. Finally, don't forget about eggs. Mixing ground flax seeds into scrambled eggs or omelets can provide a nutrient boost to your meal. This addition enhances the texture of your eggs and offers an easy way to increase your daily intake of omega-3s. While it's easy to add flax seeds to your diet, it's important to know how to store and use them properly. Remember, these tiny seeds are packed with nutrients and have the potential to significantly enhance your overall health and well-being. Storing and using flax seeds properly is key to retaining their nutritional value. To keep your flax seeds fresh and nutritious, store whole flax seeds in an airtight container tucked away in a cool, dark place. Now, ground flax seeds require a little extra care. To prevent them from going rancid, it's best to store them in the refrigerator or even the freezer. When it comes to using flax seeds, moderation is key. Aim for 1 to 2 tablespoons of ground flax seeds per day to reap the optimal health benefits. But remember, while flax seeds are a nutritional powerhouse, consuming too much may cause digestive issues. So as with everything, balance is crucial. Flax seeds are a versatile and nutritious addition to any diet, providing an easy way to boost your intake of fiber, protein, and omega-3 fatty acids. Incorporating flax seeds into your diet is a simple and effective way to enhance your overall health and well-being, so why not give it a try?